Need to programmatically add a table of contents to a Word document in Python? Spire.Doc lets you insert and update a TOC with just a few lines of code. Spire.Doc stands out because it works without Microsoft Office, generates TOC entries from heading styles automatically, lets you customize TOC switches for precise formatting, and provides a clean Python API with no COM interop. Create a document and add a section. Call append TOC on a new paragraph to insert the table, specifying heading levels 1 through 3. Then add your content paragraphs and apply heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3 styles. These become your TOC entries. Finally, call update table of contents to populate the table with page numbers and save the result as a DOCX file. On the left, a plain document with only headings. On the right, the same document now features a professional table of contents at the top, auto-populated from those heading styles. Append TOC is the key method. It inserts the TOC field with a heading level range. Apply style assigns built-in heading styles, so paragraphs become TOC entries. Update table of contents populates the field with actual page numbers. And for advanced customization, the table of content class lets you specify custom field switches. You can go further with custom TOC switches for precise level and numbering control. Restyle TOC entries with custom fonts and colors, change tab leader characters, or even remove an existing TOC programmatically. Ready to add professional tables of contents to your Word documents? Start building with Spire.Doc today.